Kidding.
So how did it turn out?
Real good.
He was really surprised?
Yeah, he didn't believe me when I told him because he was wondering why all the cars were there.
What is that? The spirit of vodka.
There's nothing in here. Oh, this is the virgin.
I have proof here. I'm taping this. Man.
So I already got dirty enough stuff on there.
I wouldn't know. I'm not a friend.
You can order my steak.
Who? Jocelyn?
Yeah.
She's private. You can ask her. Well, then get one. All you gotta do is sign up. You don't have to do anything.
You watch TV?
Yes, you do. Yeah, I watch Noggin and Nickelodeon.
Noggin?
Let me fresh it up here.
Huh?
You, let me know when you're going to start having cake and ice cream. You can dip some of the ice cream.
Oh, you're kidding.
Okay, you know that. Come in.
And one. And two.
You gotta say that.
Somebody take my camera. Somebody take my camera.
Day to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mikey. Happy birthday.